In this video, we will introduce the prep for NSE7 SOC AR-7.6 Fortinet NSE7 Security Operations 7.6 Architect. FCSS in Security Operations Certification Path. NSE7 Security Operations 7.6 Architect Exam. Exam details. Key exam topics. Best tips to prepare for the Fortinet NSE7 SOC AR-7.6 exam. 1. Which Fortis OR feature enables export and import of playbooks between environments, e.g., staging right-pointing arrow production? A. Playbook Package Manager. B. Connector Library. C. Automation Center. D. System Diagnostics. 2. Which three functions are supported by the Data Ingestion Wizard in Fortis OR? Choose 3. A. Define a trigger to ingest data. B. Customize mapping of fields between the source system and Fortis OR. C. Create separate data ingestion settings for each connector configuration. D. Choose between sequential, bulk, or parallel ingestion modes. E. Schedule data ingestion. 3. During threat hunting, an analyst filters logs by malicious IP and retrieves endpoint data from FortiClient EMS via API. Which Fortis OR feature is used? A. Connector Action Execution. B. Playbook Debugger. C. Report Designer. D. Incident Cloning. 4. Which component controls how Fortis IEM distributes data collection load across multiple nodes? A. Collector Group Assignment. B. Supervisor Scheduler. C. CMDB Indexing. D. Notification Policy. 5. Which statement best describes the relationship between Fortis OR and Fortis IEM in society operations? A. Fortis OR collects raw logs. Fortis IEM responds to incidents. B. Fortis IEM detects incidents. Fortis OR automates response actions. C. Fortis OR correlates events. Fortis IEM manages queues. D. They operate independently with no integration possible. 6. What is the primary benefit of integrating Fortis IEM with Fortis OR in a society environment? A. Simplified network configuration. B. Centralized log management only. C. Automated detection and response workflows. D. Enhanced firewall throughput. 7. When analyzing Fortis IEM incidents, which view provides correlation between events, alarms, and incidents for deeper investigation? A. CMDB view. B. Analytics view. C. Incident Manager view. D. Event Correlation view. 8. Which of the following best describes a use case for FortiSOAR's queue and shift management? A. To assign workloads among analysts based on time schedules. B. To manage connector installation processes. C. To track system logs across tenants. D. To filter incident categories. 9. When troubleshooting a Fortinet or playbook that is not executing as expected, what is the most efficient first step? A. Delete the playbook and recreate it. B. Review the system logs. C. Use the playbook debugger to check input and output variables. D. Disable all connectors. 10. Which Fortinet IEM rule type allows dynamic detection of unusual behavior based on statistical baselines? A. Static rule. B. Group rule. C. Threshold rule. D. Behavior-based rule. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.